So today we will discuss how to draw a direct common tangent to the circles of different radii. Okay. Now previously I said that direct common tangent means whether a tangent lies on the same side of two circles. Okay. So try to understand it very patiently, because this is a tricky method. Not that tricky, but there are 3-4 processes we have to solve. Whenever it is said that direct common tangent to circles of different radii, you have to draw, 3 things are given. First of all, radius of that two different radius of that two circles, and the distance between the centers of the two circles. Okay, so first what you have to do, that you have to draw a line. Okay, now whatever the distance between that two circle center is said, you have to cut that value. Okay, for example, let's assume that the center between two circles are 3 semi and 2 semi, and the distance is 6 centimeter. Okay, now for doing this kind of construction, it is required that the distance should be greater than the sum of the radius. Okay, the distance is said 6 centimeter. So first of all, from this line you will cut a length of 6 centimeter. Okay, now take the value of 3 centimeter, taking it as a center, draw a circle. Okay, 3 centimeter value. Take the value 2 centimeter, take it as center, draw another circle. Okay, now name it center O and the center O dash. Always name the bigger radius one circle center as O and the smaller radius one circle center as O dash. Now take the value that is the difference between the two radius. Now here the two radius is 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, so the difference will be 1 centimeter. So now you have to make a circle of 1 centimeter, that is the difference of the two radii. From which? From this center O. So from this center you have to make a circle of 1 centimeter. Make it. Okay. Now you have to make a tangent. Okay, for this circle. Now previously in the last construction I showed you how to draw a tangent for a circle from any exterior point. So take this circle and take it as an exterior point. For this exterior point you have to draw a tangent. So first of all, for this straight line you have to bisect it. So using the bisection method, bisect the line. Okay, now take this value as a radius, draw a arc. Fine. Now join this, the smaller circle, this and this. Okay, and name it as point A. Now where the point from A, join O and A, and after joining it, stretch the straight line so that it touches the bigger circle and make it B. Now you have to draw a parallel line of OB from O dash. So for that, what should you do? You have to take an angle value, copy that value here, then cut that value here. Here you have to get a, name it C. You get a parallel line same as OB. Right? Now join this B and C and extend that from both sides. Now BC will be the tangent.